Today, I'm reviewing a printer that feels like a serious upgrade if you're done with low-end inkjets and want something built for everyday use. This is the Canon imageCLASS LBP246dw2. Now, mine reads something completely different here. That's because I'm based in Japan, and annoyingly, not just Canon, but a lot of tech companies rebrand their various models for foreign markets. It took me a minute to find this equivalent. Now, this is a monochrome laser printer, which means it's all about crisp black and white prints, fast performance, and long-term reliability, which is exactly what I was looking for in an office printer. And caveat right away, this does not do color, so look elsewhere if you have that need. The wireless connectivity here is solid, though at the office I don't necessarily require that personally. But for those who do, the Wi-Fi is built in, so you can print straight from your laptop, phone, or tablet without cables. Setup takes just a few minutes. Yeah, there's a lot to love here, but what I love most is that I don't have to deal with changing out expensive ink that could potentially dry out if left for a while. Instead, you have toner. And I've had this printer for a couple of years now, and I've only had to change it out once. I use the printer pretty much every day. I use a generic brand I got on Amazon to save some money, and it works fine. The print quality is great with this. Unlike low-cost inkjets that can look a bit streaky or soft, this Canon produces sharp, crisp, even text each time. The printouts look professional. Black blacks, clear edges, and no annoying blotches. This model is noticeably faster than other printers I've owned over the years. LaserTech just prints quicker, and that extra speed saves real time, which I really appreciate. I love the duplex printing. That's the automatic printing on both sides of the page. You don't have to flip anything manually, which no longer is a small luxury for me. It's a necessity. And finally, this is a Canon product, so you know you're getting a decent build quality here. It's reliable, and if you're like me, you'll have no regrets.